Welcome to FX254 Academy. My name is Brian, and I have been trading for 7 years now. In this video, I'll show you how to trade Forex using price action, no indicators, no confusion, just raw price movement. What is price action? Price action is the art of trading based on price movement alone. You're not relying on indicators. You're reading what the market is telling you with every candle. Why does price action work? It's clean, fast, and accurate. Instead of lagging signals, you learn to catch moves as they start, not after they've happened. Here are the 3 main tools you need: support and resistance, candlestick patterns, and market structure. That means higher highs, higher lows, and vice versa. Market structure is simple. In an uptrend, price forms higher highs and higher lows. In a downtrend, it forms lower highs and lower lows. Spotting this flow gives you sniper timing. Next, candlestick patterns. Look for strong signals like a bullish engulfing candle at support, pin bar rejecting resistance, or a break and retest setup at a key zone. Let's look at a live chart example. Price touches a previous support zone, RSI is low, and a bullish candle forms. That's your signal, no indicators needed. Always use risk management. Risk 1% or less per trade. Set your stop loss below the structure and aim for at least 1-2 reward. That's the power of price action. Simple, clear, effective. No indicators, just skill. If this made sense, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for support. Thank you. See you on the other video. Bye for